Hey, what's happening guys? This is Ankan here from Editectives, and in this video I will show you that how you can make some awesome YouTube channel logos or YouTube channel arts less than a minute. So you have a YouTube channel and you desire to make some professional looking YouTube channel logo. So the first thing to worry about is how to make this kind of channel logos professional that some professional YouTubers use. So the first software that came to your mind, definitely MS Paint, but MS Paint isn't designed to make some professional images. So the second thing that you can choose is to download some professional softwares from online, but again that is not a simplest method you can use. You have to download some custom thumbnails and pictures from online, and then overall it's a complex method, but this method that I'm going to show you is the simplest method, and you don't need any kind of additional third-party software to download. That's been said guys, let's get into the video. So this is an online based graphic designing. You obviously need a web browser to perform the task. As example, I have Google Chrome. You can use any other web browser as well. But here you can see there is my YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel banner that looks very professional, and I have made it by myself. I didn't have used any kind of third-party software or Photoshop to do that. I get the help of online graphic designer, and it's so simple. You just need a active internet connection to do this, and so I will show you that how you can do this. Just open your web browser and type YouTube. You can see YouTube channel logo Canva. So after typing YouTube channel logo Canva, here the first link appears saying that designing of your YouTube channel logo for free. So click on the first link, and here you have the option to design your YouTube channel logo. Click on that. So here is your graphic designing page. This is the page that you will use to design your graphics or your YouTube channel logo. It's obviously 1:1. That is obvious for YouTube channel logos. And here are some custom layouts that you can use in your channel logo. So first of all, I will drag and drop one logo into that. Here you can see, and there I can edit the text. Just right click on the text. This will select the text, and you can remove the text by pressing backspace. An example, I will type my channel logo. Here you can see. So this is the channel logo, and you can obviously add some elements from that. You can add some shapes if you want to do that. You can see there are lots of shapes, and you can also search some shapes from right there. You can see that there are some lots of shapes. You can drag and drop there. That's super easy. And you can also change the background of this logo by going to the background tab, and here select any background that you like. Here you can see the background has been changed. Now after all the editing has been done for your YouTube channel logo, you can go ahead and download this. Just select the download button and click on that. This will take some time, or 20 or 30 seconds according to your network speed, and you can see that I have downloaded this, and the overall channel logo looks like this. So there you can see there are lots of channel layouts. I can also use some other else, like this layout looks very good. So you can drag and drop this onto this page, and then click on replace. After that, click on the text, remove all the text, and type whatever you want here. And also you can customize the background design as well. Okay, So after that you can download this in the PNG format or the JPG format, but the PNG is recommended by the website, so we'll download in PNG format. So here we have the results. That looks fantastic. You can obviously use this for your channel logos. So that is how we can make some awesome YouTube channel arts, and by using this online website which provides graphic designing, that is called Canva. So I'll also put the link in the description. If you are having any problem with searching the link, I will also put the link in the description, so definitely go ahead if you're having any problem. So that's it now for this video. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.